In this video, we are going to learn about one of the non-destructive testing process, which is ultrasonic testing. Already in the past videos, we have learned about dry penetrant inspection and also magnetic particle inspection as well. In this video, we are mainly focused on ultrasonic testing. In ultrasonic testing, there are three major components which is used to find out the flaw which is inside the material. The first component is display. With the help of the display, we can able to find out or we can able to see the amplitude of the defect which is present inside the material. And then pulsar. The pulsar used to create high electric pulses. With the help of the electric pulses, it transmits to the transducer, and the transducer create high frequency waves. The third important component is transducer. So the transducer plays a crucial role to create high frequency waves in the material. So, and then the high frequency waves in the material is flows into the component. After the high frequency flows, there will be a reflection will be getting if there is any defect inside the material. Due to the reflection, the transducer is also a sensor. Transducer sense there will be a defect in this position, in this type, and in this size. So by this we can able to see in the display if the amplitude is very high, then the size of the defect is also very high. So with the help of the amplitude, we can able to find out the size of that defect, and also we also be able to find out the type and position of the defect in the material. By this way, ultrasonic testing has been done. This is one of the best non-destructive process in real-time manufacturing industries, where in the assembly lines or the component lines we have to do these kind of testing before going to a further process. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.